First, connect the Ethernet cable, then plug in the power adapter. In about 40 seconds, the control hub will beep twice, which indicates it's ready for setup. The security system includes a number of sensors that have already been pre-paired to the control hub. Next, download and install the ALC Connect Plus app from Google Play or Apple iTunes. Before we start, please ensure that your smartphone is connected to your home Wi-Fi network. Then launch the ALC Connect Plus app. Tap Plus to add a new system. The app will automatically search for the control hub and its unique identifier. Select Unique Identifier and press Next. Give your system a name. As an option, you can select a photo you prefer or take a photo as a front page icon. Then tap Next. Enter your new security code using letters and/or numbers, and again to confirm, then tap Save. You must use a minimum of 6 characters.